Is it 3 hours? Now it has become 3 hours. 3 hours still is Mother Chod is Mother Chod 3 hours. It has been 3 hours since that I have last computer. Udo, Papa, Shetak, Shetak Barilu. लंपट के लिए जोड़ी पकड़ पकड़ के along underneath 12 almost more than 5 to 6 or more more than is it is perpendicular vertically it has come in the radius 13 to 16,000 kilometers 12,000 Nama that Sabotos Devotos that did make us हाँ बेटा बड़ा Mother roaring from underneath. Kamala Harris, VP Criminal, USA. हिंदुत्व फेक चुद मारण murderer of Hindutva. This message very critically you have been banned. Never, never. Ma Chachigo have stop all Indian to praise Kamala Harris. It will be horrible curse period. If this Magish criminal, Nepalese, Bengali, every Peter, cow killer, human killer, Sadhu killer, Brahman killer, Sadhu killer, Brahmabhutta killer, Brahmaghatini, Kamala Harris. देखा है नन्नू के माँ जुआनी हो रहा है ना उसे जब चुदा था ससुर होकर तब एक बात था अभी तुम जुआनी हो गए चोद चोद चुद महारानी के बाई तेरे अंदर से निकल रहा है चोद चुद महारानी नाती हो रहा है ना ससुर जी से फाकिंग का बच्चा तो नाती जो है ना नाती को तो मामी को चोद चुद महारानी को खच्चर मामी को चोद चोद अरे कुत्ते कुल का बच्चा तो हूँ तेरी तो हिंदू है राक्षस का बच्चा जो महाराज शाला मातृसेवा ठीक से कम कर ली का बच्चा है ना क्रिमिनल कोर्स क्रिमिनल नो इट्स अ वेरी क्रिमिनल बंगाली रिलेटिव टू भातीजा कमला नेफ्यू क्रिमिनल मागी के क्रिमिनल की भाभी जी की बेटा है जो ससुर से चुदाई करके क्रिमिनल निकाला था भयंकर क्रिमिनल phenomenon after cyclone or torrential rain flash flooding just hardly 3 days this kind of wrongness by machine it is totally absurd in the politics of voting of USA that kind of absurd error, abnormality, totally abnormality to bring rains or there is not wind. It's a thundering, Kalanchodan, criminal का बच्चा हाँ भाभी क्रिमिनल भाभी की हम पाप के गर्भ हो जाता और कुत्ते ससुर जी की जलन कुत्ते October, this kind of in the 9 o'clock, this kind of warmness, hot it is totally absurd. It is cannot we have felt in this month of June, July, or this end of August, in which Bengal we feel sometimes warm. But this kind of end September nearer to October, this kind of in the night warmness is today particularly that Barbar Tarafdar. बांचोद किया जो मैंने ईमेल किया है यूपीएस सुप्रीम कोर्ट को वो बार कुत्ते के टॉप में फोटो रख के दैट क्रिमिनल इन्वेस्टर हाँ ब्राउन गोरे बट दैट बार to whom I today from 2-3 probably humanity savior or Sri Ravindji Indian Sri Vishnu Constitution or probably Orko Indapur Vishnupur also I have blamed this Kamala Harris. For Kamala Harris blaming, I have 2 email readies and 2 videos for her banning because this is message to BBC that what kind of wrongness in the name of climate change that 1960s everywhere this 1960 that international seabed proposal sea cleaning. Before that, 1960, Brand Flat Group, and then your Paddy coming, and the report of climate change is also 1960, that evil undersea activity, and Woodland Holy Oceanographic Institute activities also in that time, very strong, but unless it is before that 1931 onward, but it has got momentum, the killing of US peoples in India after getting freedom, those evils coming from Bengal as a leftist criminal opportunist who remained British supporters, evil to, they actually wanted to killing this who was the real fighter who to protest this evil British ruling on Shaggy country, God country, divine country, fist country. But this evil was coming through this Cuba, Russians, and then Poland. The Poland taken Jews suddenly. Then immediately to God exposed to USA. So they have automatically USA leftist criminals. मदर चोद hard criminal साला hardcore खच्चर मदर चोद